इशू के कारण वो फिर से डिले करना पड़ेगा. आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. बट अब उस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए हम अब अवार्ड्स लेंगे. सो प्लीज़.
So now moving on to our long service awards. TC is known to have impeccable employee retention. We have peers who have spent 25 years in this organization. Their loyalty, high ethical standards, and dedication is commendable. It is known that if you spend first 5 years in the organization, you won't leave for another 25 years.
Goodness and hard work is always rewarded with respect. So I request Mr. COO Vidyanand S. Sir to kindly come on stage and present the Long Service Award to Mr. Deepak Bodkar.
First, I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Bodkar to receive the Long Service Awards. Mr. Deepak Bodkar joined TCE in 1996 and has completed 25 years of service. He completed his graduation followed by CDAC course, which was very emerging, presidential in those times. He started his career in TCE as an assistant engineer and currently working as general manager in water sector infrastructure BU. Over the years, he has worked on various complex and large-size projects from hydropower sector, irrigation sector, water supply, and smart city projects in different capacities all over India. Mr. Deepak Bodkar. So unfortunately, he is not present here, but we will manage to give him the award later. Thank you, sir. Sir, please wait. It is really an honor for us to witness these great personalities who have been serving TCE with values and dedication.
Next, I would like to invite Akshata Mulla ma'am to receive the Long Service Awards. Mr. Akshata Mulla ma'am joined TCE in 1997 and has completed 25 years of service. She completed her post-graduation in Commerce and Diploma in Business Management from Pune University. Her professional journey in TCE so far was very exciting. Currently, she is contributing as Business HR for PMCBU and Delivery Center Head of Pune Delivery Center. She witnessed the growth of PMCBU in terms of head count from 2-digit to 4-digit. We respect her association and contribution and wish all the best for her future professional journey and growth. Thank you so much, Akshata ma'am. Your smile always motivates us.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Basavaraj K. Mashalkar to receive the Long Service Award. Please give him a big round of applause. Mr. Basavaraj K. Mashalkar joined TC in 1997 and has completed 25 years of service. He completed his Bachelor's of Engineering in Civil Discipline from Gulbarga University of Karnataka. He started his career in TCE as Assistant Engineer and is currently Senior General Manager. Over the years, he has played roles of Construction Manager, Project Director, and presently Project Director of Sitco Package 2 Mass Housing Project at Navi Mumbai. He has experience in various sectors, namely industrial, IT, infra, residential, high-rise earthquake, rehabilitation, and special projects like ISRO. Mr. Basavaraj K. Mashalkar is also an internal advice auditor and is known for his work in IT and industrial projects and for his quality and timely achievements of deliverables. Thank you so much, sir.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Ajit Kumar to receive the Long Service Award. Mr. Ajit, please. Mr. Ajit Kumar joined in 1997 and has completed 25 years of services. He completed his diploma in mechanical engineering from Technical Board of Lucknow, UP. He started his career in TCE as assistant site construction engineer and currently is deputy chief construction engineer. Mr. Ajit Kumar is known for his work in hydrocarbon refinery sector, BPCL, CGPL, Toshiba infrastructure projects, GWSSB and chemical plant. And for his quality and timely submission of deliverables, presently he is working at Vedanta Alumni Refinery, Laliganj, Odisha. I think he is not here. Okay, surely our admin team will to reach to him. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Abhijit Vaidya, sir. Please give him a round of applause. But I think he is also not present here. So, thank you so much, sir. But you need to stay. I'm just sorry for letting you stand so much. Okay, next we are moving ahead to our award. E-Pride. For E-Pride award, in all the BU, our BU, PMC BU won the award. Please invite, I would like to invite Mr. Winner, Mr. Satish Rao, sir. Next, I would like to invite winners for Innovista, Tata Innovista. Our winners are Mr. B.R. Parthasarathy, Mr. Anjaya Kumar Palo, and Mr. Chandrasekhar Sunkari. Please welcome him.
I request Venugopal and Tahsildar to join. Venugopal and Tahsildar from IIT Hyderabad, please join.
Thank you so much, sir. ड्यू टू डिले जो हमारे दो छोटे बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस डिले हुआ था उसके लिए हम सॉरी हैं, बट अब उन दो तारों को उनका परफॉर्मेंस करने की बारी है. वो हमारे डिजिटल एक्सपर्ट आकाश का टैलेंट यहाँ दिखाने आ रहे हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर टैलेंट ऑल्सो. प्लीज वेलकम देम विद अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, सीधी सी बात न मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला, दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों
छीन ले